And welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your color theme in VS Code. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is go to Preferences and select Color Theme, and you'll see a drop down where you can select different color themes. And all you need to do is just select the color theme you like and hit enter, and that will apply it. Additionally, you can install a different color theme from the marketplace, and that will make it available in this drop down as well, where you can apply that color theme as well. So let's go to install additional color themes from the drop down. That will take you to the marketplace, and you can select any of these additional color themes in marketplace. So for example, we can go to Winter's Coming theme, just hit install, and that installs it. Let's just go back to the default one that we had, and again we go back to Preferences, Color Themes, and you should see Winter's Coming in the drop down as well. So we'll have two themes under the light themes, and then we have the additional ones under the dark themes. So you could select any of these and hit enter, and that will just apply it. So that's all to it for changing your color theme in VS Code. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below.